Okay, so in this video I want to show some strange buzzing noise coming from this wonderful induction stove, portable induction stove from TOKIT. So I had it running for maybe 1 minute before, and now it makes this buzzing noise. You can see it's difficult to hear, but it is annoying. I don't know if my microphone is actually picking this up or not. But it's in this spectrum, so I can hear it with my ear. It's not running, right? It's only plugged in to the socket. So now if I unplug it from the socket, this noise goes away. You can see here there's nothing here. See, in this spectrum is quiet. If I plug it back in, you can see it's in the spectrum again. I'm gonna switch it off. It's off, but still making this noise. I unplug it. No buzzing.